Assalamu alaikum viewers. I'm in a live poultry shop. This is in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. It's the first live poultry shop in Lehigh Valley. Today is the first day, their grand opening. So we came to see how the stories looks like and what do they have. This is in Lower Mackenzie. Very good Muslim areas around here. A lot of Muslim lives around neighborhood. Um, this is very good area. This is you see. This is on Willow Spot. There's a very small street between Lower Mackenzie Road and Willow Lane. A lot of people lives in Lower Mackenzie and Upper Mackenzie and Allentown, Bethlehem area. So this is the perfect area for a poultry shop. It's a nice area. It used to be an old poultry shop. Now this is a halal poultry shop in only Lehigh Valley, the live one. So we came and we're gonna go see inside how it looks like. This is outside. This is the neighborhood of the store. This is the back of the building. This is how they bring their livestock in there. The chicken, duck, the birds, goat, cows, everything. বাচ্চাগুলো ভিও Alhamdulillah, how are you? How much is the duck and how much is chicken for per pound? Which one is how much? অনেক টাকা আছে পিছনে হ্যাঁ We got this duck for $12 each, and we got some chicken for $5 a piece. Beautiful. They have people to slaughter it. They will slaughter and clean it. Look at this. We got all the meat here. They slaughtered and cleaned and cut it for us. And they also gave me a free dozen egg because of the first day. Thank you.